Okay, now student, here in page 151 we have to play a game, before we start the game, or before we start to play, we have to divide our class in two equal parts. Okay, we have to divide our class into two equal number of students. Okay, divide our class means we have to divide the number of students into two equal parts. Suppose I am taking two teams, team A and team B. Okay, suppose I am taking, okay, so before we start the class, we have to before we start the game, we have to divide our class, that means divide the number of students in our class into two equal parts, and we make two teams, team A and team B. Okay, so first, how many of you can sit in 1 square meter? Suppose I assume that from team A, assume that suppose in team A 3 students. Okay, suppose 3 students can sit 1 square meters. Okay, suppose in 1 square meter, let's assume that suppose in 1 square meter 3 students can sit. Okay, 3 students can sit uh, in 1 square meter. Okay, the question is how many of you can sit in 1 square meter? Suppose from team A 3 students can sit within in 1 square meter. Okay, and how many of you can stand in it? That means in 1 square meter how many students can stand? So suppose from team A 4 students can stand in 1 square meter. So from team A 3 students can sit in 1 square meter and 4 students can stand in 1 square meter. Okay, now uh, suppose from team B, suppose from team B 4 students, suppose 4 students can sit in 1 square meter, and from team B suppose 5 students can stand in 1 square meter. Okay, so now the next question is which team could make more children stand in square, and how many? So definitely if I assume that if nothing instruction is given in our book, no instruction is given in our book, so we can assume it that team A and team B, team A 3 students can sit in 1 square meter and team B 4 students can sit in 1 square meter. From team A 4 students can stand in 1 square meter, and from team B 5 students can stand in 1 square meter. Okay, just I am taking an example. Okay, you can also assume it from your wish. So next question is which team could make more children stand in their square? So which team? So definitely it is team B. Definitely it is team B, because the question is which team could make more children stand in their square. So definitely from team B I assume that 5 students. So 5 students, how many? 5 students. 5 students can stand in 1 square meter. Okay, which team will win? Definitely team B, because from team B 5 students can stand in 1 square meter, and from team A 4 students can sit in 1 square meter. Okay, that is why I'm writing here team B. Okay, which team could make more children? Definitely team B, because team B, from team B 5 students can stand. Okay, next question is which team could make more children, can more children sit in 1 square meter? So definitely it is team B. Definitely it is team B, because from team B 4 students can sit in 1 square meter, and from team A 3 students can sit in 1 square meter. So which team could make more children sit in 1 square meter? Definitely team B. And how many? 4. That is 4 students. Okay. So this is the part of this play. and in the next video we will discuss another play.